Hello, my name is Oleg and I am traveling in Norway in this campervan that I made by my own hands from the Mercedes Sprinter van. Sometime I will make a very good edited and polished tour full review of this campervan that I made, but for now I asked many times to show my campervan, how it works, how I travel, because I publish travel videos on this channel. So I will make a very quick and just one shot teaser review of my campervan for you, so you will know better what the situation is when I show you my travels, what the home I living in. So let's go. First of all is a Mercedes Sprinter cabin area. It's nothing special there, no much changes I made, except only one, the swivel chair that could be turned to the living area. For now you can see my dog sitting area there for traveling, but I can turn this chair around to the living area or to the road, and I could make that turn without opening any doors or adjusting the chair, so it's very easy to move it around. Now it's a main sitting area for me, this small couch. This couch is special because it's actually a storage couch, and I utilize all the space that are under this couch. But first of all, let's talk a little about this table. I use it all the time. You can change the height of this table, you could turn it around how you want, and it's very nice to have this table, and it's super stable too. So now let's see what I have under my couch. It's a basket for dirty clothes and food for my dog, also wine. There I have some kitchenware, like this one, and some metal cups and thermoses. Here is my gas stove, also some cookies and gas for this small stove. I will show you the other stove that I mainly use, and also some electronics like wires and headphones. Also there, these have some like some home stuff, like garbage bags, wet wipes, and some tobacco, and the bags, anti-mosquito spray, and some plasts and clips, all that stuff. This one is more electronic stuff. Here is the emergency flashlight, some pens, and all the water garden hoses, all the sizes and connectors you could imagine to get water from any source I will found, and some sockets and some stuff to repair my van as a rope, and some batteries like that. And on the bottom is my main water storage compartment, which can hold about 15 liters of water, which could give me about 4 days of water. Now the kitchen. I super like the kitchen. Let's add some more light. And this kitchen has an induction cooking stove, which is 2 kilowatts, and my batteries could handle that, and it works fine. But for the days like this one, when it's just raining all the day, all the time, I use my emergency gas stove you saw there, because this induction cooking top eats a lot of power, and on these days I don't have so much power from my solar panels. Next, kitchen sink. It's a proper sink with a drain I have here, and all the drain goes to my grey water tank under the van, which is 70 liters, and some space for making food, also fake plants, and What else? What else? Drawers. Okay, drawers. I fill these drawers properly for like a home kind of usage for 6 people. I know I don't need so much stuff in there, but I just want it to be fully equipped. So if I want some time to add something there, it's already here. It's already here. I have more than enough for me, and it's the spoons, forks, knives, and these knives from IKEA, just normal knives, and these trays from IKEA too. They hold all the silverware and knives very good. They're not moving around. Also some scissors and can and bottle openers here too. Here again the 6 glasses and 6 just normal coffee mugs, and I basically use only this one, and that's all. This one is not even unpacked yet, and some cooking ware too, but I know they are here, and I don't know if I need them. They will be there. I can throw some kind of party in this van. Here again the 6 plates, big plates, 6 small soup kind of plates, the coffee grinder, French press, and a mocha coffee maker, which is the best for traveling. And at the bottom it's a garbage bin and some chemicals for the toilet and other cleaning stuff, chemicals in this basket here. This space is more technical under the sink, but I use it for storage some napkins and towels. And here is the fridge. For now it's not very full, but I will go to shopping very soon, and usually I have there some meat, chicken or other stuff, some beers and cheese, some maybe sausages, eggs, so all I need for my dinners and breakfasts. Okay, now let's move to the bathroom. Bathroom is very complicated thing to make, but I did that, and not many van conversions has a full functioning bathroom, but mine have. And you can turn the light here. I use this accordion door, which is plastic, super light and very compact. Very good solution for the van. I highly recommend this for now. And when I close it there, it just not moves around, opens or anything while I'm driving on the bad roads, very bad roads. Now we have here a toilet, which is just normal toilet with all the stuff, and it could be turned there, so you have a comfortable sitting, and I can sit there no problem. But also you can turn it there, and you can use a shower. It's a proper functioning shower with hot water. I have 10-liter hot water boiler that works from electricity, and yeah, it's a mixer with cold hot water and even a temperature sensor there and a little mirror. Hey, so yeah, all the stuff the bathroom needs actually. And again, the drain goes to my gray water tank that located actually just under there, under a couch on the bottom of my van, like on the under the van. And it has a light button right there. It's all plastic and well siliconed walls there, so no water can go anywhere. And door is plastic too, so it's not afraid of water. Now the bed, the main bed, the only bed, is here, and you can see it's a giant bed. It's 2 meters by 180 bed, and it's just for me right now on this travel, but it could easily handle with 2 or 3 people if you want to. And I have windows all around, you can see, and many people say you don't want to have windows in your van because they are not very good insulated. You will suffer with heat and cold, but come on, You see that? That's just amazing. Even with this rain and parking lot around. Wow, the windows are the best. I will not exchange them for any insulation. And also, these two windows on the back is double glass windows, so I could change these windows on the sides to double glass windows too, and they have a very nice insulation, so I can improve my situation too. And while I not forgot, here I have two gauges for the fresh water, which are about a little more than a half, and gray water tanks, so they works all the time and showing me the status, which is very important. You need to know how much water you have. Also, I have a fantastic fan there, which can suck air inside or outside of the van, have 3 speeds, and the rain sensor. If it feels the rain, it just will close the fan. Also the light, which is super bright. And these lovely fairy lights. You know, in the evening I just need that, and it lights up the whole van. Okay, now to the storage. I have 6 these small cabinets there, and let's see, this one for the pillow. For this pillow, this one is packed with my stuff, my clothes, like some socks and winter clothes too, for the Norway, you know. And this one for the pillow too. This one for my blanket. This one packs with my stuffed towels and some dog stuff and umbrella. This one for my personal stuff, like bathroom stuff and my sleeping clothes if it's getting cold, as a kind of pajamas. And you know what? I can grab all the sleeping wear from there, the blanket, the pillows, and this thing with mattress cover and the mattress sheet, and I could put it right there. And when I will do that, I will have only these cushions left on my bed, and I could remove this middle section and actually make 2 separate benches there with a table in between, and have a hallway through the back, and I can open the back doors and have just this going through situation, or with a table too, so it's like a party zone for like 6-8 people easily if I need to. But mainly I use it just for sleeping like that, and not making it for bench lounge kind of area situation. Now the kitchen storage, again it's a mirror. Hello there. Here I have rice, pasta, more pasta, spaghetti, bread, chips, even some peaches got there, and oil. This is a sweet baby race, and coffee, tea, a lot of tea, sugar, and more oils, salt and spices for cooking, and the sauce, which is the boss. And what else? Mostly I store my food in the fridge, even if it not requires the fridge. It's better this way, because sometimes it gets pretty hot, and not many food like the 30 temperature degrees situation. More storage I have there. This one is for my clothes, and also a second set of my sleeping bedsheet and pillows, cases and blanket. So I have 2 sets. And under this couch actually a technical area with my batteries and inverter to power up my induction stove and the water heater, and on the right it's 150 liters of fresh water and water heater and pump, water accumulator, and even a washing machine, kind of portable washing machine, but I can use it, and also a 20 liters tank for transport water if I need to. I think that must be all. Oh yeah, I have also this blinds for the kitchen, which was a very nice idea to have, and also they are like 100% sun blocking blinds. These curtains is 100% sun blocking too. You can see these curtains just go there, but I can move it and block all the back doors and there too, so my van could be 100% insulated from all the light that goes outside and all the like personal security if you need that. These curtains are closed too, and they are like a 100% blocking light too, so you can see it's just pitch dark. And that's my dog, he's laying all the places there. And also I have here under the bed and on my like a second floor situation I have some space for shoes, and on the other side I have a big drawer from my tools to repair anything if I had to in my van, and here is control panel for my inverter, so I can use the induction cooking top. And the cool thing, you could find on this channel the videos about building anything I show you just right now. I film and document every build I made in this van, so if you're interested in something particular and wanted to know how I did that, go to check out my channel, you can find what you search for. That's all for this quick tour video. See my other videos about my traveling in this van, and you can subscribe to not miss the full tour of this van with all the open areas with technical stuff and talking about solar panels and batteries on this channel that will be available sometime soon. Thanks for watching, I will see you in next videos, bye.